Hey everyone. Well, you're probably wondering why I do like videos, put them on my blog, and well, I just thought that for me it's always like that when you see people that are like away, then I don't know, you feel kind of closer to them. And so I just had that idea to do videos every once in a while instead of writing. Well, just to be with you. And when I film other stuff, I mean, I don't always just film me talking. um, yeah, then it's just so you can be like, you be with me when you see stuff and don't just read about it. So I hope you'll like it and you don't think it's stupid or something. And yeah, I see you guys.